is for apple, ah. B is for ball, boo. C is for cat, coo. And D is for dog, do. E is for elephant, and E is for egg. Next up, F. F is for fish, and F is for flower.
Let's learn the letter G. G is for grape and giraffe. Now let's learn the letter H. H is for hat and horse.
I says ugh. I is for ice cream. I is for iguana. J says jar.
J is for jam, sweet and yummy, you see. K is for kite, flying free. And L.
L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for newt. L, M, N.
O is for octopus. P is for penguin. And Q is for queen. Great job, everyone.
R is for running rabbit. S is for singing squirrel.
La 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 la.
And T is for talented tiger. Great job, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Let's learn our letters. U is for unicorn. V is for whale. And W, ready? W is for window. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. And Z is for zebra.